Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add the schedule cleanings in the Dream D10 Plus robot vacuum from Xiaomi. So in the first step we have to click on the three-dot icon, then go to the scheduled cleanup and click on the plus. Now we can select the cleaning range, so you can select the all or the room or your floor, then the starting time and the repeat settings. You can set the once or select more days like a whole week. Then click on the confirm, the time you can set in this one, in this way, then click on the accept, and as you can see now we have the scheduled cleanup settings activated. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.